This video tutorial I will explain how to install JDK 21 on Windows 11 operating system. Step 1 is you have to download JDK 21. For that you have to visit this Oracle website. Then download JDK 21 for Windows. Check Windows 64 installer, which is usually ends with .exe. Download the installer. Copy this link. Open this website. Here you can see Windows 64 installer. Click on this link to download the exe file. Step 2 is install JDK 21. We have already downloaded JDK 21 installer. Double click on the installer to run the installer. Then installation wizard will open. Click on next to begin. By default, JDK will be installed in C programming files Java JDK 21. If you want to change the location, you can change it, and if you want to leave it, you can leave it as it is and click on next. The installer will copy files and set up everything for you. Once it is complete, click on close to finish the installation. Double click this JDK 21 installer. Follow the instruction. Click on close. Here you can see JDK 21 is successfully installed. Step 3 is set up environment variables. For that, first open the environment variable settings. Here you can see the instruction. Follow this to open the environment variable settings. Then add the JDK path to system variables. Here you can see the instruction. Right click the start button. Click on system. Click on advanced system settings. Click on environment variables. Here you can see the path. Select this. Click on edit. Till bin folder. Copy paste the path. Click on OK. Click on OK. Click on OK. Next we have to create Java underscore home variable. Under system variable section, we have to create a new variable name called Java underscore home, and path we have to give till JDK folder without bin folder. Click on environment variables. Click on new Java underscore home. Copy paste till JDK 21. Click on OK. Next we have to verify the installation. You have to open command prompt, and in that enter Java-version. That will give this output. Here you can see the output, and here you can see Java version 21 is successfully installed. To check if the JDK compiler is working, you have to type Java C-version, and output will be Java C 21. You have successfully installed JDK 21 on Windows 11 operating system. Now you are ready to start developing Java applications using JDK 21. And you have to make sure to configure your development environment. For example, IntelliJ IDEA, Eclipse or Visual Studio Code to use JDK 21. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.